Hello ladies, I hope you're doing amazing. I'm just in my lovely office here. Not very interesting, but I want to share with you something. And I know that we all want to see progress. I know I did a video on this the other day, but one thing you need to go and do right now is grab your scale and throw it out, okay? And I'll tell you why. The main reason why is because when it comes to progress, it all comes down to one thing, and that is with your photos, okay? So taking photos, taking before and after photos, progress photos, this is where we actually see progress. This is where we see, oh crap, I did lose 10 pounds, or oh crap, my jeans now fit looser, or wow, my butt looks awesome compared to 4 months ago or 6 months ago. Okay, so taking photos, ladies, is the only way you will be able to see if you're actually making changes, okay? But obviously it depends on what is your actual goal, what is your plan, how do you want to look like, how do you want to feel, right? But looking at a friggin' number on a scale is not going to do squat for you. Okay, this is why progress photos are so important. I like to take progress photos in front of a mirror or a window, something like this, so it's nice and bright. Okay, so when you're taking it, I take it front, back, both sides, taking good lighting in front of a nice big window or somewhere that's nice and bright, okay? Or even outside, and maybe get someone to take it, or grab your phone and I'll show you. So this little thing here, okay, you don't need to get someone to take it. You don't even need to take it in a mirror. All you need to do is just put your phone on timer setting. Okay, so if I take this, press that little button, I'm gonna put on a timer. I don't know if you can see it or not. Timer, okay, so 3 seconds or 10 seconds, okay? So put on a timer, put it in front of maybe a water bottle or something, and take your photos, okay? So it doesn't need to be complicating, just one of those things. You just gotta wake up, do it in the morning, probably do it fasted before eating, because that is gonna be your leanest weight. Okay, sometimes when we're eating, depends on what we just ate the next day as well. So let's say you went out and had like pizza and hot dogs and ice cream the night before. Your body is gonna hold on to excess water, okay? You're gonna have some water retention. So it's not the best to take photos right after, the night after eating something that's a little bit more calories than you're used to, okay? You just ate in a caloric surplus, okay? So stick to regular eating, and the next day, do your photos. I'm gonna sit down because my arm's getting tired. So we want to stick to the same day for our progress photos. So let's say you pick Monday, let's say you pick Saturday, Sunday, let's just say Sunday, okay? So you pick Sunday as the day where you're gonna take your progress photos. We wanna do these fasted, okay? So before eating, we wanna pick, again, good lighting, try and use the same bikini, the same sports bra, something that you're comfortable in, and something where you can see your body in, right? And no one needs to see it. This is only for you, okay? You are the only one that needs to see this, and your coach if you have one. Next thing you want to keep in mind is, let's say, okay, so try and pick a day where you've been really, really good in your nutrition, your training, and this is more of an accurate way where you can see if your workout plan is actually doing something for yourself. If all the work that you're doing is producing a result, okay? And then reward yourself that evening, maybe with ice cream or burgers or whatever you want, okay? So make sure you pick one day, where you can take the photos. Maybe you want to use measuring tape as well. That's always good. I always do that for my clients. Get them to do measuring tape, photos, and we do use the scale, but I do not rely on this. Again, I love the photos and I love using measuring tape. So I hope you love this video. Please give it a thumbs up and make sure you're following my YouTube channel for more awesome fitness videos and more healthy lifestyle tips. Okay, let's talk to you guys later. Bye.